Good morning children. Welcome to the online class today's session. In this session we will discuss about our earth in the solar system. In the solar system, the sun is the head of the solar system and in that our earth is a planet. What is a star and planet? First we will know. These are the celestial bodies. Sun won't move and it emits light and heat. And these planets move, these are the celestial bodies which move around the sun and they won't have light and heat. They will get light and heat and energy from the sun. And along with the planets, we have some more are there in solar system. They are satellites. These satellites are also celestial bodies which move around the planet, not around the star. They won't have any light and heat. They also depend upon the sun only. They move around the particular planet only. In our solar system, Mercury and Venus, it won't have any satellites. Our Earth has one satellite. These are not man-made. These are natural. Natural satellite is there. Only one satellite, that is a moon. That is moon. We observe it in the night time now. It is the moon is a natural satellite to the earth which moves around the earth. To make a one spin of the earth, it takes nearly 27 days. 27 days. In 27 days time, it will complete one turn. During that time only, sometimes we observe the moon in the night time. The moon looks brighter to us because it is close to us. Close means not only few kilometers. It is also far away from us, but it is nearer to us than the stars. It means it is nearly 3,85,000 that much kilometers far away from our earth. That's why it looks very bright to our earth. And just it is also rugged surface only. It also have mountains and all that. That shadow only we observe in the moon. And if we want to know anyone entered on the moon? Yes, in 1969, Neil Armstrong stepped on the moon first time. And our India also sending so many satellites to know about the moon in the name of Chandrayaan. I think you heard it, Chandrayaan 1 and 2. Okay, now we will next come to the part of artificial satellites. These are the artificial satellites, means these are the satellites made by the human. These are made by human-made satellites. They also move around the earth. To know the information about our earth and what is there in the earth and weather forecast, all this we learn by satellites. These satellites are sent through the rocket and then they will set in the orbit around the earth. Not only to our earth, we are sending satellites to our other planets also to know about that planets. Some of the examples of satellites are EduSat, InSat-1 and first satellite which was sent by India, that is Aryabhat, Bhaskara-1. All these are satellites. By this we are learning about our earth and weather forecast and telecommunication. All these things are available to us by these satellites. Do you know, in our Andhra Pradesh, we have this rocket launching station is there in Sriharikota. This satellites launching will be done by ISRO, Indian Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization was in, that means launching station was in Sriharikota, which is in our Andhra Pradesh. Which is in our Andhra Pradesh. Next to the satellites, we have asteroids. Asteroids. Asteroids are the rocky materials which move around the sun along with the planets and satellites. These asteroids are rocky materials mainly found nearby Jupiter and Mars. These are as per the scientist's view, asteroids are also a part of planet only. They exploded from the planet only. Okay, now we will discuss, and some are there, meteoroids. Meteoroids. These are also the rocky material and also metallic concern is there in this meteoroids. These also along with the in the space they also move around our earth. When it comes into our orbit, no, then they will burn. They will burn. At the time only that it gives a flash of light to us. Sometimes they won't burn fully, so that will fall on the earth and it makes a hollow on the earth. Okay, these are meteoroids. Next to us, comets. Comets. Not comets, comets. It appears in the sky if you observe sometimes. The shape of this is having a head and tail. It looks like a head and tail. This head part consists of solid particles, dust particles, which is covered with ice. And the tail, it is full of gases. Sometimes we observe it. One of the famous comet, which is the Halley comet. Halley comet, it appears to the earth for every 76 years. Previously it was appeared in 1986. Next, if we want to see, we have to wait till 2061. Halley comet. Okay. The next, in the sky, in night time if we observe, we will see some flash of lights which is swirling in the sky. That is a cluster of stars. It is a group of stars. In that only we call it as a galaxy. Galaxy. In ancient times, the people believed that it is just like a river. River is flowing there. That's why they call it as a Akasa Ganga. In the space, there are so many universes are there. That is only Milky Way. And these are the galaxies are the group of stars. In that galaxy, in the one of the galaxy, our star is there, our solar system, which is the head, where the sun is the head of the family. And our earth belongs to that solar system. This solar system belongs to the galaxy. We should know more about these galaxies and all these planets and all. Researchers are going on to know more information about the space and all these things. Okay, all these things, what are there in the solar system? Along with the sun, planets are there, satellites are there, asteroids, meteoroids, comets and dust particles, all are there in the solar system. Thank you, children.